everyone, it is so damn early in Morocco, isn't it, Litty Mummy?
Yes, it is.
And guess where we're going today? To see the famous waterfalls of Morocco. It is currently what, 7:30 in the morning. Oh my god. Woo. We are dressed and ready to go. Can't wait, you know. I did have a little accident this morning with my clothes ripping, but hey ho.
She'll show you that later.
Yeah, honestly. But I just thought, you know what, let me start this intro now, so when we get there, you know, we can just jump right into the video. You know what I mean? Like, come on now. But anyways, if you're enjoying these videos which I've been dropping, make sure you like, share,
comment,
subscribe, and tell a friend that your girl is in Morocco. Right, bye guys.
Bye.
So guys, you want a quick joke, right? Myself and Litty Mummy went in the restaurant for the breakfast, yeah? And we're both getting our coffees. Guess what this one go and do? She done the first coffee, right? And that was fine. Come the second one now.
I'll fling it on myself.
She dash it on herself. I said, oh, no. I said, what?
It's like I didn't want it. My hand just gave way on the cup.
And then I'm saying, what happened?
I just went and got a tissue paper to wipe my clothes. I'm just glad it's this colour.
Honestly, foolishness. And a minute ago, right, we came out to the coach thinking that we could like get on the coach a bit earlier, right? So hear me now. Oh look, it's a black driver. Mummy was like, oh lord. I really hope that there's some type of English people on our coach, because so far we've had no luck.
It's all the wee-wees.
No, no, boo-boo, wee-wee. See. Oh, last night was funny, right? I'm sitting on the bed edge, and then something came out my mouth, and it wasn't English. I said, maybe I'm converting into a Moroccan.
I said, huh? What's that?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
I don't even know what the backside I said, but yeah. I think it's going to be a long journey today. I think.
We're trying to ask the driver, and he's looking at us to say,
no English, no English, no English.
No French,
I said no French, no French, no blah. Anyways, guys, I'll see you when we get a bit closer to the waterfall. See you later. Bye. So guys, we are now on the coach, and we are the only English-speaking people on this coach.
I think the driver's going to be picking up other passengers on the way, but I wish there was an English speaker who can translate what this man is saying.
Like, honestly, like, I really hope the next couple of hotels we go to get people from, like, just black people, like, English people. Like, I don't even care if they're not black at this point. I just need English people, because what the hell. Anyways, we'll get back to you in a minute. So guys, we just got to the first hotel pickup after so long, and there's still no British people. So this is all that we read and CC and all of that on the coach right now. But I think we have to go and pick up some more people from the hotels. So fingers crossed some English people get on the coach, because oh my god, yeah.
Assists French, Spain, African, Arab, Berber, Abasir, Portuguese words. We can understand the all different dialects in the all Arabs world. For example, the different dialects in Arabic Saudi, in Yemen, Dubai, in
So guys, we have been on this coach since 7:30 this morning.
And now the time is 10:20.
And now we're just like on our second toilet stop. And
if I knew that it would take us like 5-6 hours to get to the waterfalls, I wouldn't even bother coming.
honestly, like what the hell? And from here it's like 1 hour more to go.
It's mad.
Oh, I said desert.
And people catching up on side.
And animal. I just said to little mummy, like when they kill off the animals, yeah, then what happened? How the next set of animals come? What, did I wait until they give birth and then kill them up?
Stop saying that. We are the only English people.
We are the only English people
on this coach.
Yes, guys.
It's like we are out in the sticks. We are out in the sticks.
Mm-hmm.
Because we are outside.
Yeah, we are. I think we're in Casablanca or something. We are no longer in Marrakesh. We are now in Casablanca.
Because when I thought we were getting there, we haven't even started.
Honestly, like when I tell you, out here reminds me of like when you watch TV, like, and you see that them countries in all them things there. It's scary. Mad scary. Honestly. Like, anyways, guys, yeah, I might go and get a coffee because I need to survive the next hour.
It's only 20 minutes break.
Never more, guys. Yeah, like last night I didn't even sleep properly because boy, my belly was doing up some type of karaoke. And then again this morning, no breakfast. And we've been on this coach for like the last, how many hours? Like 5? 4?
7:30.
Like
3 hours.
like 3 hours.
And it's coming up to 4 hours.
And we're hungry. And it's coming up to 4 hours very soon. Like, and to kick it all off, like lunchtime, I heard the man talking about tagine, and then what's it called?
As long as I live and breathe, I don't want to hear that word again, tagine, because it's a holy crap.
Like, guys, if you're following this vacation season, yeah, you will know we haven't even eaten properly for the last couple of days
since we got here.
when I get home. Serious things happening in that cooker. Jesus Christ. And I'm waiting patiently. Like, I've never been on vacation before, right? And starved. Like, these people have starved me. Like, last night I thought I was gonna dead. Lamb. And then the man is showing us the picture of the lamb on the phone.
That was the funniest part ever because I'm just busting up. I had to say to him, listen, right? People, Caribbean people, and I cannot eat that. That looked like Batsy. And the bread was tough. I'm there knocking it on the table for their life. The man must think I'm off my head. I said to him, I can't eat that. And then he's telling me that he didn't cook it. I said to him, there's no seasoning. There's no seasoning on it. And we're Caribbean, we like seasoning.
But yes, guys, catch you in like an hour or so if you're not dead by then.
10 years later.
So guys, we just got off the coach. We was on the coach for like 5 hours. 5 hours from 7:30 to like bloody 12 o'clock. Like 12 o'clock. Oh my god, my eyes are burning. It is so bloody hot around here. But now we're going, I think we're going to see the waterfalls and that, so it should be really interesting. I'm so tired, like little mommy's just fed up. Totally fed up. I'm hungry, tired, and we haven't eaten for like how many hours? I swear.
Hey, if you could read my thoughts right now, you know what I'm thinking.
Comment down below if you know what little mommy's thinking. Like honestly, and you know what? Like we're the only British ones. We're the only British people. And you know, but yeah, so I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure if we're still in Marrakesh or if we've crossed the borders, because it's different. Very, very different.
But it's a beautiful scenery now. Before, it was like we was out in the sticks.
Like honestly, it is crazy. But
The driving was phenomenal.
like driving and you're hungry. I think we're gonna eat first. But yeah, I think because I'm looking at a place. It looks like Pizza Bar or something. And little mommy's gonna have her favourite lamb tagine.
I don't think so. I don't want to see that as long as I live.
But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go. I think we're gonna eat now, so I will get some clips. So now guys, we are going through the market, and yeah, apparently we can buy things on the market as well if you see anything what we like.
Sweets.
Yeah, mummy wants sweets. Well, yeah, let's see what we find. You know? And you know one thing what she's not going to be taking back home? Any rocks or seashells, because we didn't get to go to the beach because it's too far. So, yes. I'm telling you, like, it feels like it took like 2 days to get here. Honestly. It's scary, man. Oh, look, your favourite.
What's that? Oh my god, I don't think so.
And then we got like bags. Wanna buy bags? What they do? Over here we got fresh orange. And then we've got little bits and pieces. Yeah. There's a lot of like things to buy if you're a tourist, like sandals.
Ouzoud est connu pour des choses cosmétiques, médecine alternative,
Okay.
l'huile des oliviers, l'huile de tagani, Nutella naturel, mûre naturelle. Donc, êtes-vous intéressé par quelque chose concernant l'huile d'argan, Ça c'est différent que Marrakech. Marrakech sur la place de Jamel, c'est juste de l'arnaque. Vous êtes sur le bon endroit. La qualité, les choses bio, naturelles et les prix sont raisonnables pour tout le monde. This is a product.
Yeah.
The product of the Berber ouzoud small village. Something like cosmetic,
Yeah.
argan oil, nature honey. That could be found everywhere on the big square,
Yeah.
but that's no good. The
Okay.
quality is here, and the price. If you're interested in something like that,
Yeah.
you're in the right place.
Okay, thank you,
And
thank
after the night, you've enough time.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Totally different than in Marrakech. They have a lot of nice things. If you want to. Les Français, tout le monde dit là.
I understand everything what you said.
So this is what they were talking about. It's like the argan oil shop with the natural herbs and everything. And they've got bags up there, which is really interesting.
Naturel et bio, attention et Pigeot à Magir. Attention et Pigeot. Des choses bio, cosmétiques, bio, nature, lot of nice things. Si vous êtes intéressé, vous êtes au bon endroit. Ça me roule comme là-bas, c'est pas escroc.
Oh god, my eye.
Il y a aussi le miel naturel. C'est différent que Marrakech.
Everything here is like natural. And that's really good because in England everything's got chemicals in it and it's not good. These things are getting in my eye. Again, it's another shop, you know, clothes. Guys, I swear, morning. Like, I swear blind, it is so damn hot. Once again, more clothes, more bags. Yeah, like we've got ice cream, we've got hats, got toys. Like guys, this is so bloody impossible. And then we got bread over there. And look, we got rocks. Just for leaving me.
Yes.
We got rocks.
I'll bring one back when I'm going back. I could put it in my garden.
But they're big though. Jesus.
Oh, we don't.
Oh, he's behind us. Oh, my eyes. So, yes guys, we... Oh, look, down there. Ooh. I swear, like, it is so bloody hot, like my eyes and everything. But yeah, it's really interesting. Very far, but it's very interesting.
We want to see the depth of it, and we are coming to the see it, so might as well make the most of it. I'm going downhill.
Yeah, they were right. We're trainers.
Yeah.
Like, if you're coming to see the waterfalls or whatever in Marrakesh, right? We're trainers. Don't wear sandals because you're gonna be walking for a long time.
Wait for the money going to
Oh,
Sorry.
wait for him to go and fly because I don't like these stairs.
Yeah, guys, we saw the monkeys like he saw, but I wasn't willing to have it on my shoulder.
Why should I touch monkeys? You don't have a tetanus strap?
I didn't tagged. I didn't microchipped. I don't get germs. Yeah.
But it was nice seeing them closer.
No, it was. But now we're gonna go down and see the waterfalls closer. So I'm gonna. So what you can see behind me is the waterfalls. Beautiful. Boy, catching me outside. This is really, really nice. Like if you don't come Morocco and see the waterfalls, like what's the point? So at the moment we are waiting for our food. When I tell you guys, this bread was so nice. Oh my god. So me and Litty Mummy don't like olives, but we did try the red sauce, which was very nice. So as you can see here, we have chicken skewers, which I had. It was so nice, 10 out of 10. And Litty Mummy just had chips, because if you know, Litty Mummy don't really eat much things, so you know, hey ho, hey ho. And then after we had that, we then had some watermelon, which was it was nice. I wanted more, honestly, but yes. Okay, so guys, we are on the boat now, and yeah, I'm scared.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, we're gonna sing row, row, row the boat.
Row your boat.
So it should be really interesting. Out in the desert. Woo!
Sorry, come this way, please.
This one? Okay, wait. So guys, we just had to move seats to balance off the boat. Yeah, we are in Morocco on a boat, and oh my god, like it's so funny because when I'm back in England, I don't get on no boat. But I come away on holiday now, I'm showing off.
You know what, right guys? I'm having such fun in this boat. So we're going to start singing in a moment.
Yeah, and when we see a crocodile, we run. Yeah, you can tell that we're tourists. It's nice.
Really is beautiful out here, man. I believe I'm out here.
Yes, guys. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, because we on a boat. Woo! And people are swimming as well. Like, look at the water. Yes, guys. We're having a great time. But anyways, yes, guys, I'm gonna go now and get some phone footage. So catch you on the other side. So guys, I got my fresh orange juice in my hand. We are not finished yet, so we're walking down here. So yes guys, I'm just enjoying my fresh orange juice. It was so nice, oh my god. If you're enjoying my vacation series, feel free to like my videos because you know we getting lit. Hey. Me. Yes, and then we got that long journey back, which I'm not looking forward to because like the coming here was so damn long. Also guys, make sure you stay tuned for my pictures which are going to be on Instagram real soon because boy, we having fun. What's this say? Oh look here. See, oh my god, this is sceneries. Like, can you imagine waking up every single morning and seeing waterfalls and mountains? Like, what's going on? What is going on? But yes guys, so I thought I'll just come back on here and show you like what I'm looking at currently because it's really nice. But I'll get back to you once we are on the coach because boy, that is hot, man. Woo! Yes guys, so we are, oh shit, so that was you a minute ago. Yes guys, so we are now sitting down in the park and it is so hot. Little mummy's like, oh my god, I'm hot, I can't wait to get home and eat. Are you gonna eat some hard food, mum?
Yes, no.
There's no hard food here, mate. So yeah. But it's really nice that they keep the community really tidy. It's like
It's really clean. The floor is absolutely clean. There's not a mess on the floor whatsoever. You know, and, the surroundings is perfect. We're walking around by ourselves now for the past hour now.
thank the Lord we didn't get lost, inshallah.
Couldn't wait to say that continue. I'm telling you, out here the atmosphere is great. Nobody's not looking at you or anything. They're doing their own
Like if
thing.
they are looking, then they're not used to like seeing somebody like hold a camera and record. So it's a bit weird to them, but you know, it's to be expected. It's okay, you know what I mean? It's when the people back home are like staring. I'm thinking, hold on a minute, but you know that this is the norms. Like, so why are you making it a big thing? Like, people are walking past, we're talking to the camera.
Nobody's not looking.
Business.
Nobody's not looking at us thinking, look at them too. You know,
Like,
it's great.
I walked through one of the most famous waterfalls ever in Morocco. Nobody was looking, everyone was minding their own business.
And that's what I like. I like
yeah.
that. 'Cause when they start minding our business, I'm not happy about that. But so far,
It's
so
okay,
good.
you can mind my business because wait, I'm doing what I have to do, you know what I mean? But it's when they just walk past and stare. I'm like, no, don't do that, baby. Don't do that. But yeah, honestly, it is so nice to come out and see the scenery, the waterfall. We got in the boat as well. So if you didn't see that clip, you need to go back and watch the video again.
The beauty was beautiful. The boat was beautiful. The settings was great. Everything about it. You know, oh, it was amazing.
I feel like people from England need to come to Morocco to see how people are here. Everyone's so friendly.
And see how they're acting towards us as a tourist. It's great. They're not looking at us in a bad way. You know, England people should take a note out of their book. Seriously.
Like, and the roads are clean.
Very, very.
The air is also fresh. Not like in dirty stinking England, where I'm not returning to. So
Your little Shay staying here.
well, you know, I'm going somewhere else after this. So yeah, you know what I mean? Because apparently I'm a fiance now.
She really
Wait. And my new name, guys, is now. Drum roll, please. Fatima Couscous.
And my name is Aisha Couscous.
Couscous.
Aisha Couscous. Beyonce, yes.
Oh my gosh.
And I am Michelle Obama. Oh, hey, the first lady, yes. They got that right.
Breeze feels amazing. I'm just taking in the breeze right now.
I'm trying to hold the camera. But yeah, guys, so I just thought I'll pop on here just to say, woo, if you like it, make sure you are if you're enjoying, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, because we outside in the ouzoud waterfall, Marrakesh. Yes, it took us like 5 hours to get here.
Solid hours.
But we got here in the end. Woo!
We're having so much fun. It's unbelievable.
Honestly. And guys, little thing, yeah, the first time eating since being in Morocco was today. Guys, I will insert a picture of my food, what I had. It was so nice. Oh my god, honestly, because this morning I didn't eat no breakfast. Last night my belly was bubbling because of the food what we had, and yeah, it was amazing. It was really nice. But for now, guys, I am gonna wrap this video up here, because when we get back on the coach, there's nothing else to see. Honestly, there is nothing else to see. I know I didn't end out my yesterday vlog, which I'm sorry about. You know, it was so much happening. But yeah, if you enjoyed, then stay tuned for more content. And also go follow me on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, the works. All my social medias will be down below in the description box. We out. Peace.